My name is Ed Bujak. I'm a data scientist, machine learning, deep learning engineer. I'm currently an instructor for the Python for Data Science multi-week program with Big Bang Data Science Solutions. I'm also a co-instructor for many of the other courses that Big Bang Data Science offers. My personal background is I'm an electrical engineer for 25 years, with bachelor's and master's, but it was 25 years of programming, all levels of programming. In the last 20 years I've been teaching, that's high school and college, mathematics, including statistics, engineering, and computer science. So I have a lot to bring to the table. I also present at a lot of conferences, meetups, clubs, so I get to see a lot of the people and their interests and where they would like to be with computer science and high tech. Hope to see you in some of our courses. Thank you.